Hey, hi everyone, welcome to this daily analysis of XAUUSD, EURUSD, and Bitcoin. Okay, so guys, you remember that we have drawn this Bitcoin level since long time, and right now the market is actually consolidating inside these levels. Okay, uh, by looking at the structure, I mean, it looks quite bearish, and if you see, the reason for this is, let me just zoom it in for you. Okay, so we can see that, I mean, see here, we do not see any good buying. The market has gone up without any significant buying here also. And now we can see that there is a buying on upper level. Okay. So, in my opinion, if the market goes breakout from these levels, okay, then it should come with a proper buying, with a proper good delta. But what we are seeing right now is that the negative delta have started coming in, and these buyers, okay, they are at upper level. So once these buyers are actually, trapped. So once market started coming down, then we can see some good kind of long unwinding kind of downside rally. Okay, so right now it looks quite bearish to me. But anyway, so don't go by any bias. Just look at the data. Okay, based on that you decide. So how will you decide? So we can see that these are the delta. Okay, some good delta around these levels. So if the market, say for example, if you look this candle, okay, so this candle is with very big delta. Now if we see that market has started coming down from these levels, okay, then we can enter definitely to the downside trade. Okay, so this is how we can trade into the Bitcoin. Now coming to Euro USD. Okay, so guys, we had marked lots of levels in Euro USD. Okay, right now if you see the Euro USD also, we can see that there are so many buyers coming in. Can you see? I mean, as compared to buyers, sellers are actually nothing. We have seen lots of buying over these levels. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I will be, modifying these levels. So I'll just delete these levels. Okay, uh, and now we'll try to have a bigger picture. So let me just this fixed range market profile. Now, based on this, we have this value area, which is, already taken. It has came down and then it has broken out from this value area. Right now, our important levels are these. Okay, this one and this one. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this line also. Okay, and we'll log these lines. So this line and this line. Okay, so these are important lines. So market is actually right now inside this value area. So with the help of delta, VWAP, and pullback, we can keep on taking trade inside this value area. If the market breaks out, then we can expect that if the market enters here, then we can expect the rally up to here. If it breaks down, then we can expect the rally up to here. In my opinion, the chances of breakdown are low because we can see that there is a lot of buyers coming. Okay, but if the seller starts coming in, then definitely we should enter into the sell side. But right now, the market is consolidating in this value area, and the chances of going up is more as compared to going down. Okay, so guys, see, don't take anything kind of tip or something like that. You have to look at the data. Okay, so right now what data is saying that the market, it is more possibility of going up because lots of buyers. Okay, but what if market it starts coming down from these levels? Now you see there are a lot of buying, okay, at these levels. So if the market starts coming down and if it enters here, then we can definitely go for short trade. Otherwise, if it is going up, we can take the long trade. If it breaks break out and enters here, then we can go long up to these levels. Okay, so this is about the Euro USD. So let me save this layout. Okay, now coming to XAUUSD, guys. So for XAUUSD also, I'm going to delete these levels. Okay. So what we have seen is this level was a good support. If you are watching my previous videos, this was acting a very good support. It has given a good support. Market has gone up. Now market has gone down and it has consolidated inside this value area. Now it has broken down, guys. Okay. And now this is a kind of nice pullback. Okay, so in my opinion, there is a good opportunity of sell trade. Definitely you have to look for delta and other things. So see, the point of these videos are not to give you trade. Okay, it's about giving you ideas. Okay, it's about giving the clarification of the auction market theory, the delta, how to use the delta, what to look for. Okay, and you have to take decision based on your understanding. Okay, so my understanding is that this was the area which was giving a proper support. Now the market has given to pull back to this area, and now market is again coming down. Okay, so if good delta starts coming out, then we can. Right now the delta is not that great. Okay, you can see that there is not much delta in this downside move. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to so first of all, this one was value area. Okay, and let me just delete all these levels. Now let's try to again create a value area. Okay, so this is one value area. What we are going to do is, let me unlock this. Okay, so this is one value area right now where the market is actually traveling. Then we can have some kind of support over this value area. However, if the market starts coming down, then the proper value area for support will be this, guys. Okay, you can see that based on the volume and everything. So this is a nice volume over here. So if the market actually breaks down with a nice delta to the downside, then we can definitely see these levels. Okay, so let me just save these levels for you. Okay, so hope this market analysis will help you guys. Thank you so much.